Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me for just a minute today. I wanted to touch on ventilation issues. I said I'd been sleeping in my truck some more, camping in it. And one of the things I didn't think about till the first day I was on my way to go camping was I wanted to have my windows down and didn't want to get bugs in my truck all night. So I stopped at a hardware store and I bought a roll of nylon screen. It's about a size big enough to do a sliding glass door screen for $7 for that packet. And then I bought 2 rolls of magnetic strip for like $5 a piece. So I got like 17, $18 in this whole thing. I cut my pieces. You'd probably want to do a nicer job of cutting them. I cut these at my campsite. But anyway, I wanted to test and make sure that they still fit over my new visors, and they do. They work just fine. Now I used magnets with a sticky on one side. I peeled them and stuck them to the screen over there. But then it makes it real difficult to roll the screen up. If you don't peel them, you can just put all your magnets together, lay them in the screens and roll them up. They roll up really small. They store real easy in your camp box. You get enough extra magnet strip and screen to make a spare one if you jack one up. Like I said, I cut these with my pocket knife on the scene, so they could be a little better, but they will work still with the visors, with the end channel visor. So really happy about that. But I just thought I'd touch on that because if you're sleeping in your truck and it's hot out, you're gonna want some kind of ventilation going on in there. I got a battery powered fan I keep in there too, but for ventilation on the cheap, do this and make you some screens. So anyway, thanks for joining me for just a minute as I share a little bit about ventilation and camping in my truck. Hope this helps someone get some ventilation on the cheap. So appreciate you tuning in. Like and subscribe and comment and check links and all that good stuff. Appreciate you. Have a great day.